Clifford from Cityalite. This is Haven Today. I'm David Wolin, and what a joy to hear the voice of Charles Morris again, along with Sally Lloyd-Jones. And let me just encourage you, if you haven't already done so, I'd encourage you to get your copy from Haven of Thoughts to Make Your Heart Sing. It's a kingdom investment, both that keeps this message of Haven on the airwaves and other digital channels, but it's also a way to plant gospel seeds of hope in the heart of a child God has placed in your life. Perhaps your listening to this program today is no mere coincidence. So could I invite you to respond now? Thoughts to Make Your Heart Sing is our way of saying thank you for your financial support. So call us now at 800-654-2836. Again, 800-654-2836. Or go online to haventoday.org. haventoday.org. I'm David Wolin. Won't you come back again next time? We'll be keeping it all about Jesus. It's the great story here on Haven Today.
Agapay ng Sambayanan. Ang himpilang ito na hindi komersyal ay pag-aari at pinamamahalaan ng Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines. Ang DZAS ay may lisensya lisensya mula sa National Telecommunications Commission na may bilang BSD-0795-2017. Nagsasahimpapawid ang DZAS araw-araw sa lakas na 50 kilowatts sa 702 kHz sa AM band mula alas 4:35 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi. Ang mga studio nito ay nasa One Corporate Center, 46th floor, Doña Julia Vargas Avenue, corner Meralco Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. At ang transmitter naman ay nasa Bukawi, Bulacan. Ang 702 DZAS ay nasa ilalim ng pangangalagang teknikal ng mga FEBC personnel na lisensyado ng National Telecommunications Commission at ng Professional Regulation Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Joaquin Aliga Jr., ECE number 0011597 at First Class Radio Operators. Elizalde Aramay, NTC number 17-1PNCR-268486. Eduardo Balyad, NTC number 97-1-PHN-19888. Rafael Barduquillo, NTC number 14-1PNCR-26670. George Cristobal, NTC number 16-1PNCR-26841. Raimundo Cristobal, NTC number 01-PHN-23193. Christopher D. Molina, NTC number 22-1PHN-27143 at JVC Tabwa, NTC number 15-1PNCR-26813. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Ito ang 702 DZAS, Agapay ng Sambayanan. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Republika ng Pilipinas.